Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. As with any repair, you should unplug the appliance before beginning. To replace the blower wheel on your dryer, first remove the screws securing the main top to the cabinet. Slide the top back and lift up to remove. Next, uninstall the screws securing the control panel. Now lift up the tabs to detach the control panel from the support bracket and move it out of the way. Remove the screws securing the support bracket so you can detach the bracket from the cabinet. Detach the door switch wire harness. Remove the wire from the retainer and set the bracket aside. Open the dryer door and support the front panel as you remove the lower two screws to release it. Pull the panel forward and lift up to remove. Disconnect the light switch wire harness and the moisture sensor wire harness. Remove the screws from the front bulkhead mounting brackets. Remove the screw securing the duct housing to the blower assembly. Now lift the front bulkhead up and pull it forward to remove. Reach under the drum and push the idler pulley to release the tension on the belt, and pull the belt off of the motor pulley. You can use the belt to help lift out the drum. Remove the screws to release the blower housing cover plate. Now secure the motor shaft with a wrench as you use a 1/2-inch socket to remove the blower wheel mounting nut by rotating it clockwise. Remove the washer and locking plate, then slide off the old blower wheel. Install the new blower wheel by first sliding it onto the motor shaft. Now align the locking plate and replace the washer. Thread the mounting nut counterclockwise on the motor shaft. Secure the shaft and tighten the nut. Reposition the cover plate and secure it with the screws. Slide the belt over the drum, rib side down, and replace the drum in the cabinet by aligning it on the rear rollers. Loop the belt around the idler and motor pulleys in a zigzag formation. Now, rotate the drum to help align the belt. Replace the front bulkhead by inserting the bracket tabs into the slots in the side panels and aligning the drum on the front rollers. Secure the bulkhead by replacing the bracket screws. Secure the duct housing screw. Reconnect the moisture sensor wire harness and the light switch wire harness. Replace the front panel by aligning the slots in the panel with the tabs on the frame. Position the panel Open the door and replace the screws to secure. Reposition the support bracket by inserting the tabs into the slots in the side panels. Reattach the door switch wire harness and secure the wire in the retainer. Replace all of the screws. Reposition the control panel and snap it into place. Reinstall the screws. Align the main top on the cabinet, then push forward. Secure the screws in the back. You're now ready to plug the power cord back in and confirm that the dryer is functioning properly.